travel beyond the stars and unlock the mysteries of the universe.
For centuries, we've told stories about it, studied it, and charted its stars. But what if everything we think we know is just the surface of a much deeper, more enigmatic reality? What if the biggest secrets of our galaxy aren't hidden in distant nebulae, but in the very fabric of ancient wisdom and modern physics, waiting to be connected? From the dawn of civilization, humanity has looked to the Milky Way as a celestial river, a path of souls, a divine spine of the universe. The ancient Egyptians saw it as the celestial Nile, a mirror to their own life-giving river, flooded with the milk of the sky goddess Nut. For the Norse, it was the Bifrost Bridge, a shimmering pathway connecting our world to the realm of the gods. And in many Eastern traditions, it's the Silver River, separating two celestial lovers. These weren't just quaint myths. They were sophisticated attempts to map our cosmic place, to understand our connection to the grand design. These cultures, separated by oceans and millennia, all perceived the Milky Way not just as a collection of stars, but as a vital living entity, a pathway, a source of life, a divine structure. Is it possible these ancient intuitions held a kernel of truth that our modern telescopes are only just beginning to rediscover? Let's fast forward to the scientific era. In 1610, Galileo Galilei pointed his rudimentary telescope at that hazy band. Over the next few centuries, astronomers like William Herschel meticulously mapped the stars, attempting to define the shape and size of our galaxy. They pictured a flattened disk, a grindstone-like structure with our sun somewhere inside. By the 20th century, our picture became clearer. We identified its components: a central bulge, sprawling spiral arms, a faint halo, and a mysterious, all-encompassing sphere of dark matter. At its very heart, we discovered Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of our sun, a gravitational monster holding the entire galaxy in its sway. But this story is far from complete. In fact, the more we learn, the more questions arise. And this is where the lines between science and mysticism begin to blur in fascinating ways. Let's consider the concept of galactic consciousness. Esoteric traditions and some fringe scientific theories propose that a system as complex and interconnected as a galaxy might possess a form of intelligence. Think about it. Our brains are networks of neurons firing in complex patterns to produce consciousness. A galaxy is a network of billions of stars, planets, and electromagnetic fields, all interacting in a cosmic dance of unimaginable complexity. Could it Beat the brain of the Milky Way, a central processing unit for a galactic-scale consciousness. This idea resonates with the ancient view of the galaxy as a living being. The celestial river wasn't just a metaphor. It represented a flow of information, of life force. Modern physics offers intriguing parallels. Quantum entanglement suggests that particles can be linked, instantaneously affecting each other regardless of distance. Could the stars in our galaxy be entangled on a massive scale? Could the gravitational and electromagnetic web that connects everything be a medium for a form of communication we can't yet comprehend? This leads us to another profound secret: dark matter and dark energy. Together, they make up 95% of the universe. The stars, the planets, you, me, all, the stuff we can see is just 5% of reality. We can't see dark matter. We can't touch it. But we know it's there because of its gravitational pull, which literally holds our galaxy together and stops it from flying apart. So, 95% of our own galaxy is a complete mystery, an invisible architecture shaping our cosmic home. What is this invisible substance? Is it just a collection of exotic, non-interactive particles as mainstream physics suggests? Or could it be something more? Some esoteric thinkers propose that dark matter is not matter at all, but a different dimension of reality, a spiritual or ethereal substrate that interpenetrates our physical world. In this view, the physical galaxy we observe is merely the visible skeleton, while the true body and life force of the galaxy reside in this unseen dark realm. Perhaps they weren't just inventing stories. Perhaps they were intuitively sensing this vast, invisible reality that modern science has only recently and indirectly detected. The Bifrost Bridge wasn't just a path to Asgard. It was a symbol for a connection to a higher dimensional reality that coexists with our own. And what about the structure of the galaxy itself? Our Milky Way is a spiral. It's a universal symbol of growth, evolution, and the flow of energy. Is it a coincidence that we live in a spiral galaxy, or is its very shape a message? A map? They are cosmic nurseries where new stars and planetary systems are born from clouds of gas and dust. Our own solar system travels through these arms as it orbits the galactic center, a journey that takes about 230 million years. Some researchers have hypothesized that our passage through these dense spiral arms could have profound effects on Earth, potentially triggering mass extinctions or, conversely, bursts of evolutionary creativity. Could this galactic cycle be the true great year spoken of by ancient philosophers like Plato? A cosmic clockwork that drives the rise and fall of civilizations, the evolution of life, and perhaps even the evolution of consciousness itself. Are we just passive passengers on this journey? Or are we an integral part of the galaxy's own process of self-realization? This brings us to the final, open hypothesis. What is the ultimate purpose of the Milky Way? Is it just a random accident of gravity and gas dynamics? Or is it an engine for creating life and consciousness? Astronomers now believe there could be billions of Earth-like planets in our galaxy alone. The potential for life is staggering. What if the galaxy is, in essence, a grand experiment, a system designed to seed itself with life, to cultivate consciousness in countless different forms across billions of worlds? Perhaps each intelligent species that arises is like a neuron in the galactic brain, and our collective experiences, our discoveries, our art, and our spiritual awakenings all contribute to the overarching consciousness of the Milky Way. Our search for meaning, our drive to explore the cosmos, might not just be our own, it might be the galaxy itself seeking to know itself through us. We began by looking at the Milky Way as a river of milk, a path for souls. We've journeyed through scientific discovery to see it as a city of stars held together by an invisible mystery. The biggest secret of the Milky Way might be that we are not just asterisk in asterisk it. We asterisk are asterisk it. We are the means by which the galaxy wakes up and gazes upon its own magnificent beauty. The ancient myths and modern science may not be opposing views. They might be two different languages describing the same profound truth. The journey to uncover the secrets of our galaxy is also a journey into the deepest mysteries of ourselves. What do you think? Is the galaxy a conscious entity? Is dark matter a link to another dimension? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. The debate is just beginning. If this journey into the cosmic unknown sparked your curiosity, please give this video a like, share it with a fellow explorer. Thanks for watching.